Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix notification not showing on Instagram. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your setting app and scroll down and type on app management and type on app setting and search for this Instagram and type on OK. You as can see notification off. Tap on this. If the toggle turn off, you have turn on and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the next method. Open your Instagram app and type on profile icon and type this 3 line and type on settings and type on notifications and type on message. You make sure that you have select on and type on this, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.